Online tutoring or teaching. Online tutoring or teaching is a method of providing education or instruction over the internet, usually through video conferencing software or online learning platforms. This allows individuals to receive education or training from anywhere with an internet connection, making it a convenient and flexible option for students and teachers alike. It can cover a wide range of subjects, including math, science, languages, and the arts, among others. Everything you need to know to start online tutoring and teaching. To start online tutoring or teaching, you'll need the following: a reliable internet connection and computer or device with a webcam and microphone, video conferencing software or online tutoring platform, knowledge and skills in the subject you want to teach, a well-prepared teaching or tutoring plan, including lesson plans and materials, communication skills to effectively convey information and engage with students, patience, understanding and the ability to adapt to different learning styles, a professional attitude and appearance. Additionally, you may need to obtain certifications or degrees in your field of expertise, depending on the requirements of the students you are teaching or the platform you are using. It is also important to consider the legal and financial aspects of starting an online tutoring or teaching business, such as taxes and liability insurance. Do you need a training to start? While specific training may not be required to start online tutoring or teaching, it is highly recommended to continually improve your skills and knowledge in your subject area. There are many resources available to help you improve your teaching and tutoring abilities, such as workshops, webinars, and online courses. In addition, many online tutoring platforms provide training and support to help their tutors deliver the best possible education to their students. Continuing education can also help you stay up to date with the latest teaching techniques and technologies, allowing you to provide the best possible service to your students. In short, while training may not be a requirement, it can greatly benefit your online tutoring or teaching business and improve your chances of success. About how much can you make in a month? The amount you can make as an online tutor or teacher can vary greatly depending on several factors such as your experience, subject expertise, and the number of hours you work. As a rough estimate, a beginner online tutor can make anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month, working a few hours a week. More experienced tutors or teachers with in-demand subject matter expertise can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 or more per month, depending on the number of hours they work and their rate. Keep in mind that these figures are just rough estimates and can vary greatly depending on individual circumstances, such as the platform you use, the location and availability of students, and your marketing and networking efforts. It's important to research the demand and rates for online tutors in your area to get a better idea of what you can realistically expect to earn. What are the sites you need to go? As an online tutor or teacher, you do not need to go to any specific cities, as you can work from anywhere with a reliable internet connection. Online tutoring or teaching allows you to reach students all over the world, so your location is not a factor in your ability to provide education and earn an income. However, it is important to consider the language you will be using to teach, as well as the time zone differences between you and your students, to ensure that you are able to effectively communicate and provide the best possible service. Name of sites. Here are some popular websites that offer opportunities for online tutoring and teaching. Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, VibeKid, Wizen, Tutor.me, iTutor Group, Preply, Study.com, The Princeton Review, K-12. These websites offer a platform for tutors and teachers to connect with students and offer their services. Some of these sites allow tutors to set their own rates, while others have set pay scales. Some sites also offer training and support for tutors, so it's a good idea to research the different options and find the best fit for your needs. Keep in mind that not all online tutoring sites are created equal, and some may be more reputable or offer better opportunities than others. Advantages, disadvantages, and advices. Advantages of online tutoring and teaching. Flexibility. Online tutoring allows you to work from anywhere and at any time, providing a great deal of flexibility for both you and your students. Wide reach. Online tutoring enables you to reach a global audience and provide education to students all over the world. Convenience. Online tutoring eliminates the need for students to travel, making it more convenient for them to receive education. Increased earning potential. Online tutoring allows you to set your own rates and increase your earning potential by reaching a larger audience. Customizable learning experience. Online tutoring enables you to tailor your teaching style and materials to meet the specific needs of each student. Disadvantages of online tutoring and teaching. Technical issues. Technical problems, such as a slow internet connection, can disrupt the learning process and negatively impact the tutoring experience. Lack of personal connection. Online tutoring can lack the personal connection that is present in traditional classroom settings, which can make it harder to engage with students and provide effective education. Competition. The online tutoring market is becoming increasingly competitive, making it harder for new tutors to stand out and find students. Advice for success in online tutoring and teaching. Invest in professional development. Continuously improve your knowledge and skills in your subject area to provide the best possible education to your students. Be prepared. Have a well-prepared teaching or tutoring plan, including lesson plans and materials, to ensure that you are providing the best possible education to your students. Build a strong online presence. Develop a strong online presence through websites, social media, and other marketing channels to reach a larger audience and attract more students. Provide exceptional service. Focus on providing exceptional service to your students, including prompt and effective communication, to build a strong reputation and attract repeat business. Stay up to date. Stay up to date with the latest teaching techniques and technologies to provide the best possible education to your students.